Hello people, welcome again to this channel. So today we will talk about Google Documents on mobile phone, and I would like to show you the way how we can personalize the line space on the paragraph on your documents with Google Docs. So you just need to open the Google Docs application, and you can also open the documents right away. So I want to pick the document first. So I want to do this instead. So I already have this all paragraphed on my documents, and let's control or personalize the space between the line here. You just need to activate the editing section, and then you just need to go click this A icon on the top right corner, and you just need to jump into the paragraph side or section. And now there will be like a line spacing, so you just need to control it. You can reducing the line spacing by click the left icon, and you can increase it by click the right icon. So here, if you want to reduce the line spacing, go click it, and you will see the difference between all. So you need to block all of the paragraph that you want to control it. Let's say here, I would like to control the space between the first paragraph, and then you just need to go click the A section here and control it by reducing it. And if you want to increase it, you just need to go click the right one, and you will see the difference. The length between will be increase it. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.